Hi everyone, welcome to our debate. Today we're going to talk about whether students should be allowed to use electronic devices in school. We have two participants, Minha and Diane. Minha, you can go first and share what you think.
In my opinion, students should be allowed to use electronic devices in school because they can help us learn more. For example, we can look up information and use different educational resources like digital libraries and online databases, which makes learning easier and more fun.
Thanks for sharing your opinion, Minha. I get that using electronic devices can help with learning, but electronic devices can distract us from studying. Like if students use their laptops in class, they can play games or watching videos instead of paying attention.
I see your point, Diane, but I think if students are goofing off, teachers can scold them. So it wouldn't be a huge problem. Plus, using electronic devices can make learning more exciting. There are fun apps and games like Owls that help us learn in a more interactive and interesting way.
I understand that electronic devices can make learning fun, but if you use them too much, it can cause health problems. For instance, using phones a lot can lead to something called popcorn brain, where people can't pay attention to things that aren't super exciting. Also, staring at screens for a long time can hurt our eyes and cause health issues later on. Another problem is that using electronic devices leads to more cyberbullying. There was a sad case where a teenage girl died because of bullying online. And in Florida, when schools stopped letting kids use phones, so there was less cyberbullying. So I think students shouldn't be allowed to use electronic devices in school.
I see where you're coming from, Diane, but I think if teachers set rules about how to use electronic devices in school, students can avoid the problems. Also, most cyberbullying happens outside of school, so banning devices in school won't really solve that issue. Thus, it's important to learn how to use technology responsibly so we can learn important skills we need in today's world. Thank you.
Thanks Mina and Diane for sharing your thoughts. We heard some good points on both sides about whether electronic devices should be allowed in school. It's important to think about how they can help us learn and what roles we might need to make sure they are used the right way. Thanks everyone for listening.